mean, it's really. Oh, it's really late at your in your where you live. Oh, what time is it where you live? Jor, what's your height? 5'11", bro. 5'11". Fridge reveal. Chat. My kitchen is pretty dirty right now. Drake, nah, Drake's a singer and a rapper, bro, for sure. He has some good he has a good songs though. Can you prank call my dad? I don't want to do that, bro. Fridge reveal. I will not be revealing my fridge.